I have a P.Louise suitcase. So if you want to see what kinds of blue raspberry goodies are in here, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is in the other room. So is Bandit because it is feeding time at the zoo here. And Dexter, although I fed Dexter some time ago. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, beauty, fashion, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family and for all the support. All right, so they had this in 2 flavors, and I picked the blue raspberry because, I don't know, I just think blue raspberry is so fun. I think the other one was a cherry, maybe, cherry lemonade. In typical P.Louise style, everything is packed very well. Now, there was a customer appreciation sale, and so this was everything I got that day was 20% off, and that included all of these multi-sets. I got 2 or 3 I got a mystery box, which I've already filmed. I got this, and then I got another big one. So here's your little sneak peek, and we have the Clean Hearted Blue Raspberry Hand Sanitizer, which I was so like, this was like the whole reason I bought this set, because I couldn't find the hand sanitizer anywhere on their site. So it has a nice clip. You can clip it onto anything. It's got a pretty container. And then it's a spray. Delicious smelling. Love that. There is the Glow and Behold Vitamin C Lip Glow Serum. All right, so that's just a clear serum. Feels very good on and smells delicious. Next, we have a Scent from Above Blue Raspberry Hair and Body Spray. And the kid has joined me, so you might hear a little peanut gallery back there.
It tastes minty.
And she's tasting the lip serum, and she might be stealing things.
It's pink, not clear.
Yes, it does. It smells like a blue raspberry icy. We have the Take Your Shot Face Booster.
Is that for old people? Mom.
So the lip serum comes out like a little bit pink, but as it stays on, it gets pinker. So let me just go back to this for real quick to see if this is one of those kind of pH. It does say that it has avocado oil.
It tastes a little bit like blue raspberry, but it's mostly just minty.
It uses citric acid to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, but then finishes with a locking layer of moisture that lasts for hours. It has Korea Camilla seed oil, vitamin C and vitamin E. It has the avocado oil. Okay. All right, so what is this Take Your Shot? Is your all-in-one skin strengthening booster designed to deeply hydrate and soothe stressed out skin, powered by a fermentation and peptide complex. It's a lightweight treatment that works like a daily immunity shot for your complexion, boosting radiance, fortifying your barrier, and delivering a long-lasting moisture in every drop. And then you have to apply it to your dry skin and massage it for 10 to 15 seconds to activate the product. Next, we have the One Last Look Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. So you can see it's a biphase. You're going to want to shake it. And then it has that milky complexion. And you can use this on the eye and lip area. Again, that's what it says. It is. Next, we have the Make It Melt Makeup Remover Wipes that are blue raspberry scented. And then last, we have her Baby Bad Bee Energy. And this is a lip conditioner and lip oil. And here is the lip oil. So it's just a nice shiny. And then our little mini serum. Lip conditioner, that's what this is. Kind of feels a little bit like, at least when it first comes out, like a petroleum jelly type, but it doesn't feel like that when you put it on. Like, it doesn't feel like it's blocking the skin barrier. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.